Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. I'm super excited. I bought these center console wraps from Test Bros. Basically Tesla Brothers. They make all kinds of aftermarket accessories for Teslas. I got these because I noticed that the very first morning that I drove my Tesla to work, I have a metal coffee mug that I use in my car, and it was like 4:30 in the morning and I was on the way to work, and I kept trying to stick it in the drink holder and I noticed it was going to scratch the side. Let me show you. This area here around the cup holder is going to get scratched up really easily, especially with my coffee cups that I use. So I immediately went online. Actually, I already had one picked out since before I even picked up my Tesla, but I went ahead and ordered it quickly, and I just put my scrub cap actually in my drink holder to put my coffee cup in so that I wouldn't scratch up the side anymore. So I got this awesome black one. It's like galaxy looking. It's really just gloss black with different colors of glitter in here, and it's really cool because anything that you buy the wraps from them, they actually send you 2 of them just in case you screw the first one up. Hopefully I don't mess up the first one today. We'll see. It's supposed to be pretty simple, but that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be installing these today so I don't mess up my center console. I actually just have the directions playing right here on my screen in my Tesla, and it's a YouTube video by Test Bros, and it actually just walks you through how to apply the center console wrap. So I'm going to be watching this as I go. It comes with every single thing that you need in the kit. We have wipes to start off with, our little squeegee thing here, little tool, and it has felt on it to keep from scratching up the wrap. And then you also have these clear pieces that we're going to put on the wrap to place it correctly over the cup holders. I will say the first thing you need to do is just clean this with a dust cloth, dry dust cloth first. And ladies or guys, if you're going to be doing this installation, do not put any hand lotion on your hands before you do this. Make sure you wash your hands really well and there's no kind of oils or moisturizer or dirt on your hands. Okay, so I have this microfiber cloth that came with my Tesla. So first, I'm just gonna clean this off. Still some lint, but I'm gonna clean it more after after I do this. So this is one of the wipes that came with the wrap. It came with 4 of these wipes, and I paid $29.95 on Amazon for this wrap from Test Bros, which is a really good deal, especially when it just automatically comes with 2 of them in case you mess one up, like I said. So it's really nice of them to just always include 2 with every order, so you don't have to worry as much about messing it up. Or if it just, you know, over time gets damaged or whatever, you can just take that piece off and then you have an extra one. These wipes actually work really well. I don't think I'll have to use a second one, honestly. This is getting all those little spots off that I was worried about. Let me get this in here too. And you want to even get in these crevices back here because this wrap does go in the edges too, and it's really important to get in these edges so that you get a good grip on the sides, so that those edges don't start peeling up over time. I'm so excited about this. I hope that it turns out really well. Alright, good enough for now. So we have our video here. Hopefully they won't mind that I have this playing in my video. Alright, first step, clean it with the wipes like we did. I'm not sure what is the best way to do this, but if you can see, we're going to put this piece right here on top of the cup holder part, and that's going to hold this in place and let us see right through the cup holder holes. so that we can make sure that we place this properly. I went ahead and popped these drink holder sections out. This is sticky. I just don't want to stick the sticky part up here. So basically, we're gonna put this right over the drink holders. And that is just so that we can hold on to the wrap. The wrap, I have not removed the back yet. This is just so that when we place this section, we can see through here and place this where we need it to go on the drink holder. So now we're gonna try to line this up as perfect as we can. Okay, so let me see this camera. My son Liam in here is helping me film. So you will notice there's some extra back here. It extends past. That is supposed to be like that so that you can wrap this all the way around. I did remove the drink holder part before we got started, and I actually am happy that I did that. The main thing, you're not trying to line up this back and you're not trying to line up the front. When you do the drink holder part, you need to be lining up around the drink holder, up and down right here. This needs to be lined up, and side to side, side to side. I'm gonna push down on the sides, make sure that this tape right here is gripped onto the silver part, because we don't want this to move once I peel this up. We're gonna peel this up first. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna pull this up. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay. Try not to touch the back with your fingers. So I'm gonna go from the middle of the back, and I'm just slowly rolling this down so that I get any air bubbles out as I go. Let me see this tool here. So I'm gonna go from kind of the middle out and push down like this. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of squeegee out a little bit because I want to get the air bubbles out. Gosh, it looks flawless. So now I'm going from the middle out like this. Go into the corners here. And go ahead and use your thumb. I almost suggest, there's a little edge here, not from the plastic, but from them wrapping this around, just from the adhesive of this velvet part. And I'm not sure if it left sticky stuff here or if I actually scratched it. It almost looks like maybe it's just, oh, okay. Oh, right. We did not scratch it. So yay, I did not ruin the new wrap. Just be aware of this corner whenever you're using this. Try not to use the corner. So this will just buff out. I am super happy with this so far. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so now we're gonna do this part here. So we've now removed just the piece around the drink holders. I still have this white part on so I can hold it. I don't want that to come off yet. So now I'm going to start right here and keep this flat. Don't turn it up on the corners because of that little bit of glue on the corners here. Hold it real flat. I'm just going to kind of massage this a little bit because there is a crease from that natural fold, you know, from them having different sections. It's going away. You want to start from the middle and push your way out a little bit. This is pretty thick. I honestly might get my credit card out to do this part. And this is what I was worried about. I feel like it's kind of sticking a little here. I don't know how they did that. So unfortunately we just missed that, but it was sticking up right here. It was a flap, the sticky edge, the end of it. And what I did was I just opened this a little bit, and unfortunately you can't like wrap your fingers around there anyway, because the way the car is made. But you just get it back like that, and then you just close it, and then it will actually like push it down. There's really no way to wrap your finger around and push it, but it seems fine once you do it. It looks awesome. Oh, actually, you know what? I have this. Let me just put this in here. There we go. Ta-da! This looks just as glossy and shiny as this, but it's so much cooler. I didn't want to change the look of the car too much. I have seen wood grain wraps, but they're like insanely expensive. They're like $79, and I was like, I actually like the modern look in here. I love this wood grain here that came with the car, but I think this is really cool too. I didn't want to change the black too much, and I think this added glitter in here just looks so cool. But it's kind of subtle. It's not, you know, anything embarrassing or way too girly or crazy or anything like that. I am so happy with this wrap so far. All right, so next we're gonna skip this big part and we're gonna go ahead and do this tiny little strip. This strip goes right up here. So first, we're just gonna peel this one corner off like that. I'm trying to push down the back of this back here. This thing works pretty good. And it's bendable, so it kind of like wraps around the edge back there. Woohoo! I am so happy. This looks amazing. I think it looks better than the original, honestly. Look at that. All right, we got one more spot. This little section here. So I did not know this. They just showed me this in the video. This little piece right here, it comes off. You just push with your right finger right here on the shiny part and slide to the left, and it just pops right off. So finally I can do this one in my lap. My back is killing me from bending over trying to do this. I will definitely be purchasing every single accessory that I can from Test Bros, because they seriously make good quality stuff, and it was not expensive. So it goes on right here at the end. You want to place it flush down, about 1/2 inch here from the right. It's flush back here, and then we're just gonna slide it to the right, and you'll feel it walk. There we go. We're done. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that is over, but I'm glad that I took my time. All right, finally, we are finished, and it looks amazing. So let me see if I can get this. Oh my gosh, it came right off. All right, I am happy. I am happy. There's nothing wrong with this wrap. I really thought that I scratched it with the side of the squeegee thing, but no. I'm actually rubbing really hard on this. It is not scratching or anything. It's not becoming matte. It's still glossy. I don't see any air bubbles. Those creases are pretty much gone. My son is so ready to get out of this car. My husband's probably wondering where I've been like the last forever. I don't know how long we've been in here, but a long time. But you know what? That's okay, because this is going to protect my car and it looks freaking awesome. And it only cost me $29.95. And I have Amazon Prime, so I didn't have to pay for shipping. Look at that. I am super happy with this installation. It looks awesome. All right, so if you liked this video and this was really helpful to you, feel free to ask me any questions below. I promise I will get back to you almost immediately unless I'm at work. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more videos like this about my Tesla, please subscribe, because that is basically why I made my YouTube channel, was to teach everyone everything there is to know about this car as I learn it, because I basically don't know anything about this car really, except, you know, the basics right now. But as I go along, I'm going to add more accessories, add more things to it, do more stuff to it, learn about every single little thing there is to know, and teach you guys as well. Bye!